Yo, what's up? Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to slappy grind. So here we are, ye old slappy curve. Going to be what you need first and foremost to be able to learn slappy. Second is the skateboard, but first you need the curve itself. When doing a slappy, instead of going at it parallel like you would a 50-50 or any other grinds on just a regular ledge, you go at it more of a 45-degree angle, almost like straight at the thing. When going at it like that, it makes you be able to ride up that curve for the slappy, whereas if you would have gone at it just parallel for a 50-50, you're gonna end up just not getting fully up on top of it and just more so riding the side of the curve. If anything, probably not even getting your wheels up at all. Whenever going into the slappy, I feel like I put a lot of my pressure on my front foot going in and end it with my back foot. It's kind of a shift in weight when you go through the trick. Whenever you get up onto it, you want to use your front foot weight to get that first front truck up there, but then shift your weight to your back to really push your back truck up, because once you get up on top of there, you're going to be relying a lot on your back foot and your back truck to keep you centered and keep your weight on the curb, not sliding over or not getting up enough. You're going to want to just shift that weight mid-trick, so then you're able to come right out of it. So foot placement for slappies is pretty simple. Front foot over the bolts at a slight angle, back foot on the tail. At the end of the day, it's just really what's comfortable to you. So truthfully, I'd be lying if I told you that I knew the absolute secret to slappy grinds. I'll admit, it is a super hard trick to learn. All you could do is just go out and practice. There's no better way to learn something than to just go do it and practice it. And eventually, the more you practice something, you're not going to get worse at it. Because how I learned was just years of practice of them. In a sense, just kind of put in your head, pretend like you're surfing. Kind of, cruise along, chilling. Hopefully this tutorial finds you well, and I hope that you actually, can take from this video and learn how to slappy.